In this video, I'll be teaching you on how to export your Figma prototype into video. So first, you need to access any search engines or web browser based on your preference, but in this case, I'm going to use a Google Chrome. And after that, you will be going to search for the figma.com. And once you're in, just simply access your account by entering your credentials. And if you don't have one, just sign up and register for you to able to create a new account. After that, you'll see this page once you sign in and select a file or project that you wanted to export it. So after that, you will see on the right-hand navigation bar is the design as well as the prototype section. Now click on the prototype section. Once you're on the prototype section, go back to the element that you wanted to export and right-click on that, and you will see a bunch of options right here, but you are going to click on the plugins. And as you can see, under the recents, just click the export to GIF or GIF or video. Or if you don't have one, just click the manage plugins and search for the export video. Then after that, just click on this one for you to able to add the plugins onto your Figma. Then after that, just wait until it exports. Then type in your email for you to able to find or export the video from your prototype. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.